This is an easy breezy wig out the pack that doesn't hurt your pockets. Off for me. Do I gotta plug anything? No. Dripping down on your outfit and messing up your look. Add some definition to the hair. This part is optional. Taking no time at all. Okay, so who didn't turn her mic on? Me. I didn't, but I'm gonna show you real quick what I did. I took my band off, I cut my sides a little bit shorter for some baby swoops or some swishies, and then I added some powder to my parting space. I made sure my lace was blended down to me using my contour color. Oh, I added some hairspray to the hair to kind of liven it up a little bit, and that's it. So yeah, here's the final look. Wait a minute. Has BeautyForever converted me? I think I can pull this left side off really well. So, you know, there's that for the look. As far as the hair is concerned, I don't have any issues with the unit. It's very hard to get a water wave unit to look thick without going thick and in pocket. This unit is perfect for the warmer months. I quite literally have no complaints about the wig whatsoever. Not even the shedding. Keep your fingers out your hair and you'll be fine. The parting space, whether it's on that left side or right side, looks great. I feel like you should offer the option for the left side or the right side. What you think, BeautyForever? Get on that, get on that. This wig is very beginner friendly. Y'all saw what I did, barely anything, okay? You can literally put this wig on out the pack and go out the door if you want to smell like that. But yeah, y'all, I can't stop doing this.
Get in the water. What are we going?
That is one thing you want to make sure is that your wig is secure down the front, because that weight that pulled on my wig, it was about to snatch it right off in this pool. That'll be a whole nother video.